Hey, let me show you all gestures that you can use on the Galaxy Watch 7. So I'm going to show you how it actually looks on the smartphone because everything is bigger and it will be more visible for you. So these gestures are available right here. And first of all, we've got double pinch. So when you turn it on and open it, we can find how it looks. This is actually how we have to double pinch. And what we can do with this one, we can actually pinch twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, launch apps, control our music, and take the photos. Another one is the shake to dismiss. So that's how you have to shake your wrist. So you have to rotate your wrist twice to decline incoming calls or dismiss alerts such as alarms, timers, and reminders. So there's option to twist this in the two directions. And the last one is actually the knock knock. So we can quickly launch. You have to make a fist and bend our wrist down and then up again twice like fist is nodding. And what we can do, we can simply link some features, like we can turn on the flashlight, we can open some apps, or we can link some exercises when we open the health application. But there's like no every gesture that you can use right here. When you open the watch, you can find also some other options. When you go into the settings and then scroll for buttons and gestures, we can also find any universal gestures. So now when we turn them on, we can find this option to start. I will have to put it on my wrist. There we go. So as you can see, we can make this kind of the gesture. So I'm gonna try it right now. There we go. Another one. I have to tap my index finger and thumb at the same time. Okay. There we go. Okay, to move to the next item, tap your index finger and thumb together. Okay, I did it, but unfortunately it's not working. So maybe I'll try to do this manually and get rid of it. And I'm gonna show you this a little bit different. So let's go back into this universal gestures. And now we've got this activation method. So we've got make fist twice, knock knock gesture, nod gesture, shake gesture, and when you choose one of it, you can go into the tutorials and here we can check how it looks. And yeah, that will be all. So this is actually all the gestures that you can use on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.